Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What do you think we're going to talk about today? It's a big bag. Is it what you think it is? Do you know what it is? Is it bigger than I think? What are we gonna do? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, you can barely see me. And I am a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a shopaholic chic shithead. Is it a big one or a little one? Is it a little one or a big one? Is it a bunch of little ones? Please consider subscribing and please smash that like button and keep on watching. Okay, big bag. Loving the big bag. So today, obviously, we're gonna do a little bit of yellow Chanel. So guys, full disclosure, I got a big bag, but it's not a big bag item. So I don't want you guys to get the wrong impression. But I did get a big bag item. I got a bag and it was a birthday bag and it's coming. I will do it in a separate unboxing than this one. But please stick around for this one too because this one's fun. But this is not a big bag. I don't want to, do that whole like, what is it? Like a bait and switch? No. Catfish? No. String you along? You know the thing where I'm like telling you, like I'm making you think it's one thing, but it's another. So I'm not. Anyway, let's get right into it. So I have 5 purchases. So we got 5 purchases inside this bag plus a repair purchase. So let me talk about it a little bit. I don't know if I've talked about this yet, about the repair process, but if I haven't, so really quickly, last year I got 3 of the Chanel Airpod cases that they had where they had like, it was like this tiny and they're like this small and you can just fit your AirPods, but they're kind of like very TB energy, tiny bag energy. And they're so cute and they're so small, but they really don't do anything else with that. But anyway, I got 3, 2 of them had some stitching come undone really quickly. So I got them repaired. Actually, see here, like this is the necklace from one of them. So I actually use so they're like little AirPod cases with a chain. And the chain is like this, and you're supposed to wear it around your neck. But I use it as a necklace. I also sometimes use it as a bracelet, and sometimes I use it as an anklet. But you can basically you could make it a little shoulder bag if you wanted to, and I'll show you. But you can make it like a really cute little shoulder bag for like tiny bag energy, which won't hold anything in it. You can put some cash in it maybe, or like you can't even put a card in it. Or you can kind of just like hold it like a little accessory part of your outfit that doesn't really do. But right now I actually really like using them as necklaces. So I put this little like Yerman pendant on it that matches and it's like a necklace. And I do it like that because I like a long necklace and I haven't found a long necklace that I really like or that I can, that's in my price range because most of the like ones that are really good, like the Van Cleef ones, $20,000, $30,000. It's like a lot. If it's worth it to you, then spend the money on it. If it's not worth it to you, don't spend the money on it. I also sometimes like to put it in a little knot like this. So I'll do it like that and or like that. And I'll do it like that. I'll do it like that. And I'll make it into a little knot like that. That wasn't a good job, but the knot's usually higher. It's like here. And then it's kind of like this kind of vibe or like, whatever. Anyway, okay. So for the repair process, they connect you, like I had my fashion advisor connect me with one of the repair people. It was super simple, like it's totally covered. They were really great about it. It was just 2 stitches that came undone and they were really good about it because I know Chanel's been having a lot of quality issues with their stitching and their blah, 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 bags and stuff like that. So I was really actually pleasantly surprised that they were just like, we'll repair both of them. And they repaired both of them and it says no fee. I don't know if you can see it, I'll bring it up close. But it says no fee, no fee, no fee, no fee. And I feel like I gave them to him back in like March, April. They're ready in June, so not too bad, like a couple months for repair. And I think they sent them like all the way to France, or at least to like New York or Italy or Spain. They send them somewhere else, it's not here. Basically, I gave them in, they were super sweet about it. I explained exactly what I did, created a little thing, gave me an email receipt of it, and it was just off to the races. And then she just texted me a couple months later and said it was ready. So super simple repair process. They also gave me a new box, which I think the box is one of these 3 for this. So now I got an extra box. And then the other one they didn't put in a box, which is kind of weird. So there's 2 of them that got repaired. One's in a box, one's not, which I thought was kind of funny. But this one's all like nicely wrapped and this one's in the box. So I got both of them repaired. Like I said, they're AirPod case holder. So I'll open this one because this one I know is the one that goes with here. And they just like put it in the bag and there it is. See? So cute. It's like a tiny little classic flap. It's got a little hole here for your AirPod thing and it's like got a little connector right here that goes to right here. So this comes off really easily. It's just a little, one of those. And so then you just go, voila. See? And now it's here. And now you can wear it like this. I mean, you could wear this as a necklace too if you really, really wanted to. But it's a good way to carry AirPod cases because I always use my AirPod cases. And I had a little plastic stick cover on it and they kept that on, which was nice. I have a little dust cloth too, but it's probably in one of these boxes. Oh, not you.
So here's all the other stuff that came with it. The card and the dust bag, and this thingy and this thingy, dust bag, and the price tag. Here's my little cloth. Down here, then it must be on this one. But then this one's missing one. That is very confusing. Okay, same thing. We got all the little accoutrements. Huh. Oh, okay. Well, there's one, but there was another one. Well, now I'm missing one. Well, that's unfortunate, but maybe it's somewhere else or whatever. So this is the box, and this is the little, you know, thing to keep it, you know, so cute. So that's that one. Repair the stitches were coming off right here on the back, and I'll bring it up close. They repaired it, and now it looks perfection. All good, brand new, basically brand new. Love. Cute little Chanel bag. It's in the caveat quilted, so it's like nice and easy to use, you know what I mean? Don't want to have too much trouble with the lambskin one. Oh, I do have a lambskin one. It's a pink lambskin one with my pink necklace. And I don't even touch that one. It like has never left the box. Well, it's left the box. It's sitting on my shelf, but I've never used it. That goes there. Okay, and then this one is so they wrapped it up a little cutesy. And then they wrapped it up again a little cutesy. But this is the purple one. And it's like this iridescent purple funness. I honestly don't remember where the problem was here. Oh, it was up here, and I actually like snipped it a little bit because I just thought they weren't gonna repair it, so I just wanted to fix it myself. But they repaired it, so it's all good. Up in here in the hood. These are them up close, so you can kind of see. So they fixed the stitching here. Sorry for my nails. They fixed the stitching up here. It's good. You know, it's beautiful all over, beautiful all over. And this one, they fixed the stitching here. I don't know if I ever actually took any videos of these beforehand, and if I did, I will let you know. Yeah, and this one's really cute too. And you could like mix and match. I mean, this could go with here. I mean, I know this is gold, but this is silver, but like, whatever. That still works. This purple one's real cute too. Why did I get 3? Who knows? And this is the iridescent metallic one, so it's not lambskin, and it's not caviar quilted. It's kind of this just in between world. Put that back on before I lock it. So those are the repairs. I try to keep it quick. I hope that made sense. I'm gonna put you... more bags now, dudes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share with your enemies and your exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you so much. Hello, Chanel. We love you, Chanel. Gonna buy Chanel. In the words of Coco Chanel. I don't have any other words, but I love you. Goodbye.